Hey there, car enthusiasts. Looking for a game changer for your vehicle's fuel efficiency and performance? Say hello to our ViDiShi common rail diesel fuel injector nozzle, 445,120,008, specifically tailored for GMC Sierra 2500 HD 6.6L DURAMAX owners like you. We're talking about a high-quality steel beast that's ready to replace or repair your old injector. Forget about those clunky, inefficient stock parts. This baby's designed to boost your engine's might. Trust us, this isn't your average injector, it's a ViDiShi masterpiece. High-quality ViDiShi common rail diesel fuel injector nozzle, 445,120,008. For GMC Sierra 2500 HD 6.6L DURAMAX. Our injector is here's durability and longevity. Google search reveals that material quality is often a concern, but not with us. We've upgraded our manufacturing process to ensure each injector is crafted from premium steel, standing up to the test of time and fuel pressure. Looking for a perfect fit? How about two? This injector fits like a glove on both the BMW K75 and GMC Sierra. Don't worry about compatibility, we've got you covered from 1995 to 2012 models. Warranty? You bet. We're so confident in our product that we're backing it up with a solid 12 months warranty. And if you're looking to save a buck or two, we've got great news as a leading automotive parts manufacturer. We offer wholesale and retail options with unbeatable prices. But wait, there's more. With a delivery time of just 10-20 days. You won't have to wait long to feel the power of a ViDiShi injector under your hood. Need a little help? No problem. Our experts are just a WhatsApp or WeChat message away at ITSCIS 13,509,025,030. Or drop us an email at sales@vidishi.com. We're here to guide you through every step of the way.